Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be.
Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So today is Tuesday. I am on my way out the door. I'm going to the gym this morning. I'm running a little bit behind, but it's okay. I have so much lint on my shirt, but that's fine too. I did want to just pop in really quick, of course, to start off the vlog, and also to let you guys know that I will be adding some outdoor furniture to my Amazon store. So I'll have the link in the description box below, as always. I've been getting a lot of questions, DMs on Instagram. So I've been looking at some really cute stuff on Amazon, so don't forget to check the description box. But I'm gonna go ahead and go to the gym, knock out this workout, get my son to school, and get my day started. So let's get into the vlog. So I am having a pure green juice today. This one has apple, lemon, ginger, kale, spinach, cucumber, celery, zucchini, and romaine. I got this one from Whole Foods. I've been getting these for a while now. I showed you guys these probably like last month when I bought like all of the different juices to see which ones I like. And I really like this one. So 10 out of 10 recommend. All right, y'all, so I made it back home. I'm gonna just make me a little fruit tray, and then I'm gonna do a little bit of journaling on my balcony. So, y'all, look how big these berries are. I got these from Walmart yesterday. They're huge. 4 should be enough. This is my new journal. So this is just the gratitude journal, and it just says for an inspired life. So it has like your little quotes here. So this one just says, let your intuition be your guide. And then you just write down like what you're grateful for today, what you're looking forward to, and your favorite part of the day. And then you can just, you know, jot down any notes that you may have about your day or about whatever you want to add into your journal. So I love this. I picked this up from Home Goods yesterday, and it was only $4.99. So yeah, love that for me. Super cute. So right now I am sitting in Target's parking lot. I'm getting ready to run in there really quick to grab a few things, and then we're gonna go to Whole Foods because I want to re-up on some of the juices that I showed you guys this morning, because that was actually my last juice. So I made it back from Target, so I'm gonna do a quick little Target haul. We're gonna start off with the things from Target that I received in the mail. You guys remember last week I ordered some more of the slip dresses. So I got the lavender slip dress, this pretty peach, and then this like hot pink. I've been like obsessed with this color, like I don't know what it is, but so they look really good on. Y'all remember the black slip dress that I picked up from Target last week was an extra large, and it just fit a little too big for my liking, so I ordered these in a large, and they fit really nice. I still wish it would fit me just a little bit more, but it still look good. So look how pretty this pink is. Ugh, I just love this. And these dresses were, how much? Maybe like 20 bucks, I think. I'm not too sure because they don't have the price on these tags, but it's the brand, the Target brand, New Day. But they're so cute, and they do have stretch in this material, so I had to get these. They have a few different colors, so I don't know if they're still available online, but you guys can check. And this is just peach color. Look at that color. Super pretty. And this color looks real good on my skin tone, so I really, really like this one. I like them all. They're just so flowy and cute. And y'all know with these slip dresses, you can dress them up or down, so that's why I really, really like these. But I love the colors that I chose. And then let me show you guys how the lavender one looks up close. So this is the lavender one. Super pretty color. I love this. So yeah, I can't wait to wear these. So I got those in the mail, and that's it. And then when I went inside Target, they had this really cute little, I always, when I go to Target, I have to go to the who, what, where section and see what they have. So they had this really cute little short set. So this is the top. It's yellow and white, and then it has like the little puff sleeve. It's really cute. So it's yellow and white. They didn't come together. The top was $32.99, and I got the top in a large, and then the shorts like this. So I just thought that this was so cute. And I'm trying to play around with some color because I'm always in black or brown, so I just thought that this would be really cute. And the shorts were $27.99. I want to say they had another short set, but it wasn't this print. It was a little too busy for me, but I can't remember. It had a bunch of different colors in it, but that was just a little too much for me. I'm not ready for that yet. And then what else? Oh, and then I showed you guys this little kimono. Is that what it's called? A kimono? Look at this color. This color looks really, really good on me. It's like a a rust orange. I don't know how it's coming up on camera, but it's like a rust orange. It looks really, really pretty. I just love this. I could not leave this in the store. This color is so pretty. And it's like a satin material. How much is this? And this one was 28 bucks. And then I tried something different, y'all, because I've been seeing this style sandal everywhere and I wanted to try it. So I grabbed some of these and I'm gonna hold it up to the camera so you guys can see the material on the shoe. They're so cute. So I grabbed me some of these. Super cute. They have like the white bottom and the little bone color. So you guys know you can wear these with pretty much anything this color. They look real cute on. I would try this stuff on, but I just don't feel like doing all that right now. And then I bought these little like slides. They don't have any type of straps on the back. Same exact material. It has the Velcro on the sides. So it looks like this. They're super cute, y'all. I'm telling you. So cute. Something just nice and simple. So I really, really like these a lot. And they're very comfortable. And I think these were on sale, if I'm not mistaken. But I think both of the shoes were like $24. And I think I got like $2 off of, I think these, I got $2 off. But really cute. And that's pretty much it. That's all I picked up from Target. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this stuff up, and it is time for me to go pick up my son from school. So I hope you guys enjoy hanging out with me today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at I am Sharika B, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, y'all.
Don't take it. Take it. Just don't deal and live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look